Hi, we are here to solve another arithmetic problem, and it involves percentage as well. So Hannah's income in 2010 was 5% less than her income in 2011. Clay's income in 2010 was 7% less than his income in 2011. If in 2010 Hannah's income is 1.5 times Clay's income, what is the ratio of Hannah's income in 2011 to Clay's income? So here we're talking about two people and their relative incomes in two different years, 2010 and 2011. So we have to clear those up in order to calculate these. So ultimately we are wanting to know Hannah's income in 2011 and the ratio of that to Clay's income in the 2011. So this is what we want to know. So here in the first information it says that Hannah's income in 2010 was 5% less than her income in 2011. So now we're talking about 2010. So let's say Hannah's income in 2010 was 5% less than that of her income in 2011. So it's 0.95 of age 2011. And in the second line it says that Clay's income in 2010. So now we're again looking at 2010, and Clay's income was 7% less. So 7% less than that of her income, his income in 2011. So 0.93 of 2011. Now it says that if in 2010 Hannah's income is 1.5 times Clay's income, that is in 2010 Hannah's income is 1.5 times Clay's income. So we can replace these equations from equation 1 and 2. So age 2010 is actually 0.95 times of Hannah's earning in 2011. Similarly, C 2010 from equation 2 is 0.93 of his earning in 2011. So since we are ultimately looking into the ratio of Hannah and Clay's earning in 2011, we are going to move this quantity back on the left hand side and bring the numeric to the right hand side, and now very easily we can calculate this, and using the calculator we quickly see that the result is 1.468. So in this case the answer would be D, 1.47. So while solving this problem, be careful about the subscripts 2011 and 2010. So although it's the same person, their income level is changing from the year 2010 to 2011. If we look back in 2010, they were having less income compared to 2011, and then after developing the relationship we finally have to have a look out for what ultimately are they wanting. So ultimately they are wanting the ratio of their income in 2011. So always remember of the unknown variable that you have to solve, and look at the known variable that you already have, and then it will be very easy to solve any equation.